Prince Harry today admitted to a judge he was not aware of any evidence he had been hacked by a tabloid news group, but he said it would be an injustice if he was denied victory in his high court phone hacking case against the publisher of the Mirror. Andrew Green KC, for Mirror Group newspapers, put it to the prince that he was in the land of total speculation and there were no phone call records to back up his allegations. During Harry's second day in the witness box at the Rolls building, Mr. Green asked him, "Are you aware of any evidence that gives any indication whatsoever as to the extent to which you were hacked, if at all?" The fifth in line to the throne replied, "No. That's part of the reason why I'm here, my lord." The KC later said, "You're presumably aware that there's not a single item of call data to your mobile phone at any time from any Mirror Group journalist." But Harry, who was far more bullish and confident than on his first faltering day in the witness box, shot back with the claim that the newspaper had destroyed vast amounts of evidence, including by using burner phone, to hush up its wrongdoing. Harry appeared close to tears as he finished his historic day and a half of answering questions at the court. During a turbulent final few hours in the witness box, the Duke volunteered details of his checkered love life, including a trip to a strip club. But he hit out at hurtful and disturbing reports in the Mirror Group titles about the breakup of his relationship with his first love, Chelsea Davy, and accused the People newspaper of unlawfully accessing their phone records. Harry, the first senior royal to give courtroom testimony in 132 years, claimed he may have been phone hacked by Mirror newspapers on a daily basis over a period spanning 15 years from when he was a schoolboy at Eton. He claimed there was hard evidence to suggest an incredible amount of suspiciousness, and he was hacked on an industrial scale, telling the trial judge, Mr. Justice Fancourt, that he would feel some injustice if his claim was not accepted. Harry maintained that stories in the People about him and Ms. Davy were incredibly suspicious because they quoted palace sources at a time when the young couple were being so careful that they never told the palace anything. Harry accused the newspaper of using the attribution palace sources to cover up the true source of the information, phone hacking. At one point, Mr. Green put it to him, "So, we're in the land of total speculation about whether this is voicemail interception." The Duke replied, "No, not at all." Mr. Green asked the Duke if he was aware that two of Ms. Davy's friends had been disclosing information to the media. "I highly doubt that," he said. The former soldier also rejected claims in one story he had loved the army more than Ms. Davy, and among several terse exchanges with Mr. Green, he claimed Mirror articles were littered with inaccuracies. He informed Mr. Justice Fancourt, "I don't see any quotes from the, I believe, Lithuanian lap dancer who sat on my lap."